Hey, green thumbs. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of propagating hedge plants. Imagine turning your favorite hedge into a whole row of green goodness. Sounds awesome, right? Well, stick around as we break down the process in easy. Let's get our hands dirty and grow more from what we already love. So, you want to multiply your hedge plants without breaking the bank? You're in the right place. Today, we're going to explore how to propagate hedge plants using existing ones, a gardening hack that's both budget-friendly and incredibly satisfying. Step 1. Choose healthy parent plants. First things first, you want to pick out the star players healthy, happy plants make for successful propagation. Choose parent plants that are disease-free, pest-resistant, and thriving in your garden. Step 2. Gather your tools. Now, let's grab our tools. You'll need a pair of sharp pruning shears, a clean knife, rooting hormone, if you have it, well-draining soil, small pots or containers, and a misting bottle. Step 3. Pick the right time. Timing is everything. The best time to propagate hedge plants is during their active growth period, usually in spring or early summer. The plants are bursting with energy, making it easier for them to root. Step 4. Choose the right method. There are a few ways to propagate hedge plants, through cuttings, layering, or division. Today, we'll focus on cuttings, a straightforward method for most hedge varieties. Step 5. Take cuttings. Time to get cutting. Snip 6 8-inch pieces from the healthy, non-flowering stems. Make the cut just below a leaf node and remove any flowers or buds. The more nodes, the better the chance of successful rooting. Step 6. Remove excess leaves. Now, let's tidy up our cuttings. Remove excess leaves, leaving just a few at the top. This minimizes water loss and helps the cutting focus on growing roots. Step 7. Apply rooting hormone, optional. If you have rooting hormone on hand, dip the cut end into it. This boosts the chances of successful rooting. But don't worry if you don't have any. Nature has its way of doing things too. Step 8. Planting the cuttings. Grab your small pots or containers filled with well-draining soil. Make a hole using a pencil or your finger, insert the cutting, and gently press the soil around it. Repeat for each cutting. Step 9. Watering and misting. Time to give our cuttings some love? Water the soil thoroughly and use a misting bottle to spray the leaves. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Think of it like a spa day for your little plant buddies. Step 10. Provide adequate light. Find a bright, indirect light spot for your cuttings. They need sunlight to grow, but direct sun might be a bit too much for these delicate new plants. A cozy, well-lit corner is perfect. Step 11. Be patient and watch for growth. Now comes the hardest part, waiting. Be patient and keep an eye on your cuttings. In a few weeks, you should start seeing new growth, which means your hedge family is on the way. Step 12. Transplanting. Once your cuttings have developed a good root system, it's transplanting time. Gently remove them from the pots and plant them in their new permanent home in your garden. And there you have it, friends. Propagating hedge plants is a fantastic way to expand your green haven without spending a fortune. Remember, gardening is all about trial, error, and the joy of watching things grow. So, roll up your sleeves, enjoy the process, and happy propagating.